Hi girls, so today we are going to be doing our lesson on topic 12 assessment practice. So we're going to be doing this together. This is on page 475 in your math book. This is to go over all of topic 12. So we're going to be going over the first couple questions together and then you can do it by yourself. Okay? So the first question is, what fraction of the whole is colored green? What fraction of the whole is colored yellow? Okay, so first we need to figure out what is our whole. How many pieces are there in total? So I see that there are 6 pieces. Okay, so if I have one piece, it's going to be 1/6. So how many are colored green is what the question is asking. So 3 out of the 6 are colored green. So I'm going to write 3 out of 6. And then what fraction of the whole is colored yellow? That's a comma. The colored yellow is also 3 out of 6. Okay, so we got the first question down. Woohoo! Okay, write a fraction to name the equal parts of the whole pizza. How many parts would you need to make 2 whole pizzas? Okay, so how many pieces are in the whole pizza? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 over 8 equals 1 pie. So how am I going to get 2? So that means I need to add another 8 over 8. You don't really need to do this part. This is just for practice. And then it's going to be 16 over 8 is the answer. Because you have 2 and then 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Alright, number 3. The line segment represents 1/3 of the distance from Mal's house to the library, which represents the whole distance and has an accurate explanation. So what should I do? If this is 1/3, I have to make it 2 more times. So let's pretend that's even. So it'll be about this. So I think the line segment represents 1/3 of the distance from Mal's house to the library, so the whole distance is 3 times as long. Yes, because you need 3 of these lengths to be the same to show the whole distance. So it is A. Which point is at 3/6 on the number line? Okay, so they give us 1/6 and they give us 1. So we're gonna fill in 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6, because 1 equals 6/6. So which point is at 3/6? That's what they're asking for. So I look up, it's point B. Ta-da! Which of the fractions would be to the right of the number line? The right of a number line. So this is your number line. This is 1. And the right would be over here. So a fraction more than 1. So a fraction with the numerator, the number on top, is more than the one on the bottom. Okay, so is the top more than the one on the bottom? No, not the answer. Is the top more than the one on the bottom? No, not the answer. Is the top more than the one on the bottom? No, not the answer. Is the top more than the number on the bottom? Yes, check. Is the top number more than the one on the bottom? Yes, check. Okay, those are our 2 answers. Let's continue. Okay. Draw a picture to show 2/4. Okay, so you can draw I'm going to draw a oval, because that's not a circle. And I'm going to cut it into half and then fourths. And then I'm going to shade this much, because that is 2 out of the 4 are showing that it is. So then I will just say there were 4 pieces and I had to cover 2 of them. I had to color 2 of them. That would be the answer for B. But I can't write that because it's going to take way too long. Jeremy put pepperoni on half of the pizza. He put olives on 1/3 of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza did not have pepperoni? What fraction of the pizza did not have olives? Okay, so we need to make our pizza. This is our pizza. Okay, so pizzas are going to be I'm going to make it 6. Pretend this is even, girls. This is very hard to do on the left. Okay, so I'm going to make this 8th. Wait. No, don't listen to it. Bye-bye. Don't follow that. We're going to skip that one because I need to come back to that one for myself. Okay, 1 point on the number line below has been named with a fraction 2/4. Write a fraction for each of the other points. Okay, so how much is the total going to be? Each point is going to be worth how much? 1/4. Okay, so then we have 2/4, and then what's the next number going to be? 3/4. And then another way to put 1 is 4/4, and then we keep going. So you guys are good on this. For number 9, you can do that on your own. Fold in a piece of paper 9 inches by 12 inches into the sections and what fraction of the total area is in each section. We're going to skip that one, so don't do 10. Next page. How many 2/8 do you need to get 8/8? Okay, so if I have a line that equals 2/8, and this is 3 and 4 and 5 and so on and so forth, how many of the ones that are even numbers on the top do I need to make? Do I need to make 8/8? How many of these are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. Lane's class is painting a mural with 6 equal parts. They spent 45 minutes painting on each of the days. On the first day, the class painted a 1/6 of the mural. The next day, the class painted another 1/6 of the mural. How many 6 parts did the class paint the 2 days? 6 parts. Okay, so what is 1? So they're asking what is 1/6 plus 1/6. So how many 6 did they make? 1, 2. Ta-da! How many 8ths do you need to get? 5/8. Use the number line below to help. Okay, so how many 8th pieces do I need to put for 1/8? You can do that on your own. 13 on your own. Circling because I want you to do it on your own, and we'll go over it tonight on Zoom. 14, which point represents 6 lengths of 1/8 on the number line? Okay, so this is, okay, so each of these lengths equals 1/8. So which point is going to be 6/8? So all you have to do is label all of the numbers, and then whichever one is 6/8 is the answer. You can do that one on your own. Divide the circle into 8 equal parts. What fraction does each part represent? So if I divide this into 8 equal parts, how much is 1 equal part going to be? So it's 1 out of how many? Do that one on your own. Okay, the rest you're going to do on your own. If you have any questions, we'll talk over Zoom. Thank you, and have a good day.